Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Wix Studio series. Today, we are going to talk about using AI to make sections responsive to make your website look great on desktop, tablet, and mobile with just one click. Turn hours into seconds with Wix's responsive AI tool. First, you have to design your section on the desktop view exactly how you want it. Once you have your images, text, and buttons in place, then click on the section to select it. Now, look at the floating action bar and click on that sparkle icon. That's the responsive AI tool. And when you click on it, click Generate Now, and the AI will automatically scan your layout, look at how your elements are placed, and figure out the best way to make them scale and stack, all while you just sit and wait. The AI will automatically apply grids, stacks, and docking for you, which looks incredible to watch. It creates a responsive structure that would normally take much longer to build manually. The best part is that you're still in control. Once the AI is finished, you can click through different breakpoints, such as your tablet or mobile device, to see the results. And if you want to make your own changes, you can still tweak those manually however you need to. The AI just simply gives you a massive head start. So, as you can see, this tool is a total game changer for your workflow. It allows you to focus on being creative while the technology handles the complex things. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.